comfortable.
Yeah.
Before we had this, we were really uncomfortable.
No, I like your story too. How like I met this guy. We decided to move in.
Yeah, my whole story is that I asked him out, and within 3 weeks.
I love it.
Within 3 weeks.
Who can resist
he
you?
moved in. Oh, you're so cute.
I'm serious.
We had so much in common, and it was instant. And so I asked him to move in. But what we didn't realize is that I snored so much I was gonna kill him. And so after 3 months, I told the doctor I could pull up to the light, the signal, and if it was red and I had to stop, I could fall asleep. That's how tired I was. And so we had to get a bigger bed. Because we're both kind of bigger people, and we were trying to, cramp into a small bed. And so we bought a bigger bed, and then I went and got my CPAP. And that helped a little bit, but the CPAP, it was uncomfortable and loud. And so I went to the Snore Guard, and that saved not only my life, but it saved the relationship, because I do have sleep apnea, and this manages it really well. And I don't have any problems sleeping anymore, and neither does my boyfriend.
Amazing. And we just